Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle and you need to remove or replace lower engine mount, also known as torque strut mount on your Kia vehicle guys. That will work on multiple Kia models. We'll demonstrate on Kia Optima, but the same design, okay, and or almost the same design has been used on Kia Optima, Kia Forte Sportage Sorento, Kia Soul, Kia Rio guys. So we will explain where it's located, how to remove it safely, what you need to support, because otherwise you can cause quite a bit of damage to your engine. And in addition, we will explain how a bad engine mount can destroy your engine compartment, like wires, hoses, things like that. So make sure to stand till the end and we will explain quite helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money in the future as well. Now, let me introduce you guys quick to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information for free. Something else, if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components, all that will be on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, we'll have quite helpful information. If you need to buy any parts or tools, anything for your Kia guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So this specifically guys, it's a 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on. So in most cases, almost every Kia, okay, with a 3 or 4 cylinder engine, you have 3 engine mounts, one on the passenger side, one known as a transmission mount, and you have one underneath. The 2 on top keep the engine up, and the one on the bottom prevents the engine from going back and forth. So now let's explain what we need to do, how to get there, how to remove it. You will need jack with a wood box or with a rubber box. That will be very convenient. We need to go underneath the vehicle and we need to explain now, okay, what we need to do in order to remove and replace it guys. So looking at it now, let's explain, okay, where that engine mount is located. We're talking about that strut mount right here, that's the one. Okay, you can see. So now we're going to support, okay, the bell housing between the transmission and the engine with the jack, okay, just a little bit like that, that's it. You barely need to support it in the middle guys. Okay, so the engine doesn't turn, just don't pump too much. It needs to be to where the engine is not gonna move. That's perfect like that. Now this is a, usually you will have one bolt holding the mount to the engine. You will have a bracket that holds right here, usually on the transmission side, and you will have 2 more bolts towards the suspension guys. So that bolt, usually the nut is welded on the other side, so all we have to do, get the bolt loose. In most cases on Kias will be 17mm socket. In some cases it could be different, but most that we've worked on is 17mm. So find the right socket and get it loose. We will try to do it with impact, see if we can save a little bit of time. The other way, we're getting it tight that way. Perfect, bolt is loose. You may have quite a bit of rust inside, you can see, because the salt water can get stuck there. Now let's explain what we need to do. 14mm socket, we need to remove 2 more bolts that hold the mount to the suspension, to the subframe. Okay, right there, and then we have 1 more that we need to do. Okay, right here. Perfect, that is done. Now let's go ahead and explain what we need to do else. If you try to pull it out now, okay, it comes down. Never stick your fingers there, because if it falls, it will fall on you, but it doesn't come out. What you need to do, that bracket needs to come out. In most cases it's attached with 3 or 4 bolts. In our case 3 14mm bolts. One is out, second one now. Perfect. What we'll do, I'll pull that mount down and a little bit out so we can reach the third bolt. The mount will come loose, and the moment that mount comes loose on your Kia vehicle guys, you can lift it up and simply pull that torque strut mount out, okay, and You can see it is, okay, right there on your Kia vehicle. That's how I remove it. You can see how much it goes in the subframe, so that's quite a bit. Now, if you want to see how a bad engine mount can destroy your engine and what are the symptoms of bad engine mount, we have a special video that's called Symptoms of Bad Engine Mount on Kia. Check it out, it's on our channel. Also, if you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.